welcome back to another video with your girl. Today I'm bringing you a pre-poo made out of aloe vera juice, and I added a couple of different oils in there. Well, not that much, but I added this wild growth hair oil. Hair growth oil. And I also added this lavender pear essential oil. To begin, you're going to need your aloe vera leaves. I had already let mine soak in water overnight to remove the latex, which is the poisonous juice that comes out of the aloe when you cut it. But you only need to leave it in water for about 30 minutes to 60 minutes. Then go ahead and get your favorite oils. I had used a wild growth oil and the lavender oil that I had just shown you guys. Then blend it up. I also added honey to it too. Then go ahead and blend it and make sure you strain it. I strained mine twice just to make sure there was no residue on it. That way it'll be easier for me to just apply it to my hair. Then it'll come off very easily. Then I'm going to rinse out my hair and get it prepared to add the aloe vera juice. Okay. I need my glasses, obviously, because I can barely see anything. That's really so. It don't take a lot for my hair to be soft. That's what I realized. My hair didn't change a lot. I'm gonna open this up.
This one I got you with the jabata. I know get time, I did that. That cover my face, calling me that back. Man, we don't get about that. Tell me, what's it go? You are go, all depends. They catch it, ride the whip. I know feet, die for nothing. What's it go? You are go, all depends. They catch it, ride the whip. I know feet, die for nothing. Make you no say anything when you do, they must commend it. I can't come and see myself. So anything when they do, I they try to take my way. Plenty survive with this. Just to make your money day. But my people then go say I know one buy, I know one die, I know one women. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. Tell me, what's it go? You are go, all depend. They get it, ride the whip, I know beat, die for nothing. What's it go? You are go, all depend. They get it, ride the whip. I know different things that happen in schemes and packaging. In a one night for shows, I'm juggling. Flow like the ocean, my port, I'm paddling. Shout out, Bella, that's my bro, my family. Rose and trace. When it comes to money, I did concentrate. Because I tell you straight, you are not my mate. If you become a shall not be head of state. But my people then go say, I know one buy, I know one die, I know one women. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know.